All right, we got a product here that I want to show you guys, and I think you're really going to like it. And in my opinion, this is something that everybody can use. So as you guys probably already know, Ecoflow is huge when it comes to power stations. They're at the top of the list for the brand that makes one of the best power stations out there. Well, they just released their power bank. So this is their 5,000 milliamp hour power bank. This thing is packed with features. So let's go ahead and check it out. So nowadays, everyone carries around a cell phone, and it is crucial to keep it charged while you're on the go. Ecoflow has done a great job to make this very easy and portable to put in your pocket. As you guys can see, I got it next to my iPhone right here, and it is a lot smaller than the iPhone. So first off, this Ecoflow power bank has a built-in USB-C cable that just pulls out right from the side. Now this USB cable is short, but I'll show you guys here in a second how this works. This easily tucks back away into the power bank, which is nice, keeps everything intact. Also on this power bank, it has a kickstand. Over on the side, it has a USB-C port. And then on the other side, this does accept wireless charging. So not only wired, but also wireless. So as you guys can see on my iPhone, I do have a case on there. This is a Pelican case, I think. And with the wireless charging, this has a built-in magnet. So this will stick right to your phone. So right now, it is not coming off. It's stuck on there. And that's why I like how compact this is, because you can easily just throw it right into your pocket and it's not going to add some extra bulk. Now, if you do not want to use wireless charging, you can still pull out this cable. And this is where this cable comes in handy. With it being so short, you can just go ahead and plug it right into your phone, and now you're able to charge your phone through USB-C while this is still attached to your phone. So pretty cool. The kickstand also serves a purpose. So if you wanted to go ahead and use your phone and throw it on the kickstand like so. And this is very durable, built really well. Ecoflow builds all their products really well in my opinion. And then if you are just using the wireless charger, I went ahead and took the wire out. You can also stand it up vertically. Also, the power bank on the side here, it does have a button. Go ahead, push that button, and it shows some lights here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is going to give you the total charge of the power bank. So there's 4 lights there. When all 4 are lit up, that means it's fully charged. Now with the Ecoflow power bank, it can be charged 2 different ways. You either can charge it by plugging in the USB-C cable that's built into the power bank, or you can use a USB-C cable plugged to a charger and plug it into the USB-C port on the side. Either one of these methods, you can charge the power bank. So I went ahead and tested the power bank with 3 different phones. I got my iPhone 15 here. This has about a 3,400 milliamp hour battery in it. It was able to charge this no problem, and it still had like 1 of the LEDs still lit. I also used my Samsung Fold 4. This one has a 4,400 milliamp hour battery in it, and it also was able to charge this fully. I also charged my wife's phone. This one is a Samsung S23 Ultra. This one has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So that was a really good test for this to see if this was really 5,000 milliamp hours. Unfortunately, it did not fully charge my wife's phone. So after running those tests multiple times on the S23 Ultra, I was a little disappointed that this wasn't able to fully charge this, because that would have really shown the true capacity. So I'm going to assume that this Ecoflow power bank is under 5,000 milliamp hours because it couldn't fully charge this phone here. But the other 2 phones, this power station was able to fully charge both the iPhone 15 and my Galaxy Fold 4. Another thing I really like about this power bank is you can actually charge 3 devices at once off of this. So right now I got it wireless charging in my iPhone, I got it plugged into my Samsung, and then I'm also using the USB-C on the side to charge my earbuds. So you can use both of the USB-C ports at the same time, along with wireless charging. So another feature I like about this power bank is I currently have it charging right now, my iPhone through USB-C, so it's fast charging it. And then I also have the power bank plugged into this Ecoflow. So currently through USB-C, it's charging the power bank. So you see the green LED there that this is charging. So the power bank is charging, and it's also charging my phone. So it's kind of got like a pass-through feature. All right, guys, so there you go. A quick rundown of the new Ecoflow Rapid Power Bank. I really think Ecoflow thought this out well. I like all the features that's built in, how you can charge at multiple different devices, the kickstand, the magnetic wireless charging. Only downfall is that the 5,000 milliamp hour capacity in this just doesn't reach that capacity when you're charging a 5,000 milliamp phone. But any device below that 5,000 milliamp hour capacity, you shouldn't have a problem charging. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'll make sure I put links in the description box if you guys are interested. Those will be affiliate links. Using those links to help out the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you guys found some value in the video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys like videos like these, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.